scared me.
You mean
more than your daughter.
The screaming
scares me.
didn't scare you? I had to get this on video. Really? Wow. This is how Isa spends most of her days.
Screaming. Screaming Isa.
You're like a banshee. I know. She's been around Jamie. Jamie Schnapp.
Jamie screams?
Yeah. Are you Sasquatch's daughter?
Yep.
Is it a Sasquatch call? Wow. Sasquatch? Isa Squatch? Squatchabella?
Sassy? Sassy Isa.
Yeah.
Sask Isa. Bella.
From downstairs, it sounds like somebody's
murder.
kid. How can your sister sleep through this?
How can Grandma stand this? I'm going deaf. If I'm deaf by the time you're a year old, it'll be your fault. Yep, I will be deaf. It hurts me.
Can you use your inside voice? No such
This
thing.
is the inside voice.
Hey, silly goose. Do you like to scream? Does it make you feel good? Yeah. Okay. Play with your fishies. Good job. One more scream. Good job.
One more.
One more.
One more scream.
Give me your best. That's pretty good.
Oh, that wasn't your best.
That's good enough for now.